Today we are exploring Formas.ai with its feature Instant Narratives. To start, we're gonna open up the Instant Narrative by clicking this button on the left menu bar. When we click on the untitled project, we get different options to make a choice from. We can select from New Narrative, My Narratives, Save, Share and Export. Once the template is loaded, make sure you have selected the right aspect ratio. I can either select from my asset manager on the right side or drag and drop directly from a folder images into the different boxes. In the first box you throw your starting image and in the second box another one. Now click on the generate video icon, which you find in the center between the two frames. The new pop-up which opens allows you to customize video model settings and also to insert your own text prompt to describe what's going on between frame 1 and frame 2. Each video model has customizable preferences and each model costs different credits depending on your customized settings. For example, longer duration and better resolution will cause more costs. When you are happy with your customized settings, you can click the button Generate Video and it will directly tell you how much credits are charged for this video generation. Depending on your internet speed and general traffic on the page, it depends how long the generation will take. Normally that's between 1 and 2 minutes. And we use the waiting time to expand our animation setup with the next frame. Simply drag and drop your thumbnail into the frame 3 box to extend your animation. Now click again on the Generate Video button between frame 2 and frame 3 and continue with the customization of that new video setting. My first video is now ready, but I see that I used a wrong written prompt. That's why I click on Regenerate to write a new prompt with a better described camera movement. Then I clicked on Update Video, which costs me another 60 credits. Meanwhile, rendering the second video has been finished and that already looks quite cool. A little quick tip: if you are more happy with an earlier result, just drag and drop the rendered video from the thumbnails into the animated box to exchange that on the fly. Once both videos are finished with rendering, I can click on Generate Narrative to produce a complete video of all the videos I have generated to become one final output file from all the animations. As I was not that happy with a couple of results, I tried out different prompts and different video models. So overall I've invested nearly 400 credits to get that final video going. In summary, I should have written down the correct text prompts first, then depending on the video model selections, I could have gotten by with 120 to 288 credits. And if I would like to improve that video, I could switch to Crea Enhancer, redefine the frame rate, but this is a topic for another session. Overall, the Instant Narrative editor is quite impressive and makes fun to work with. Vision Machine.